Hi everybody, I'm Renee from Wanna Scrap, and today we're going to use up those photo frame garlands that we have in our stash. And this is going to be an interchangeable banner, which I'm so excited about. And basic stuff in your stash, you know, the big letters to fill up the photo frame. You're going to need some stickers, some Halloween papers, some bling, laces, and I did put it all on this tinsel garland. So right now I'm just measuring the paper and cutting it to size to go into the photo frame. I believe they were a 4x6 size, but I cut them just that little bit smaller. And these are sticky back letters, so I'm just placing them right in the middle so it'll show in the photo frame. And to make it to go in and out easier, I just rounded the corners. Well, that helped a lot. And I'm just getting some laces ready here. I really love this gold lace that I bought because if you flip it over, you also have it in black. They had quite a few different designs at the Dollarama a while ago, so it was a great opportunity to use some of these up. And I'm just getting it all glued down around the border because we don't want to go inside the frame at all. We want it to be completely 100% interchangeable. And just using that hot glue to get it all glued down on there. Looking pretty already. And now I'm just getting some bling. And I ended up just hot gluing the whole strip onto the lace. I didn't remove all the bling, so I thought I would try this out. I've never done that before, so I thought I'll see how it lasts. So far, so good. And I also had some confetti in my stash of Halloween little tidbits, and I'm just using some large bling that I had. And I'm just putting it on both ends of the bling on the top of the banner. Looking so awesome already. But we can always do more. So this is another opportunity to use some of this black lace that I absolutely love. And it looks really great on these. I'm just getting it measured to size and getting it all glued down. I love this 3-in-1 beacon glue. It is such a good tacky glue. It works for so many items. For this banner, I did spell out the word spooky. And that purple ribbon was a ribbon that we all got at the Dollar Tree a while ago. It came with multiple different colors of ribbon packs. Absolutely gorgeous, so I really liked how it turned out. And as you can see, they are still interchangeable. And I'm just making a loop with the garland to hang the garland with the tinsel garland. And I just laid it on the floor to get an idea of how spaced apart I wanted it. And when you're hot gluing this, you want to make sure you do not cover any of the pull-out card or the thumb attachment there on the back of the frame. And this is how it turned out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun and I can't wait to change it out next year. I think it's going to be awesome. Take care everybody. Have a good day. Bye for now.